Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert pictures in the table in Microsoft Word. So for us to proceed with this one, I have here the images. I can go ahead and open it just like so and put it here to the side. And then let's go over and open a document that we're working with today. I also want to put this at the side. And yeah, let's just go ahead and put them side by side together. Now from this point forward, let's go ahead and insert a table. I'm going to go ahead and do so. Let's say 4, just like so. All right, or maybe yeah, just 2. Let's go ahead and do just 2. There you go. And then from here, let's go ahead and resizing this one. Just going to go ahead and resize it just like that. All right, and once you've done that, you can go over and click the table, head to table layout, and then from here, let's go ahead and click this one and choose fixed column width. Once you have fixed the column width, I'm going to show you 2 ways in order for you to upload the images here. So first one, you can just go over and just drag it just like so. Another thing, you can go ahead and drag it again just like so. Now, this is the problem. There is a tendency that it's going to jump onto another table if you make a little bit of mistake with regards to the positioning. So another way that I'm going to do or recommend for you guys is head over to the part that you want to insert it, click the insert button, pictures, this device, and then you're going to locate at that particular image. So if it's 8, for example, I'm going to go ahead and click that, and as you can see, it's now in there. So yeah, go ahead and do the same thing, depending again on the preferred method that you want. So you can just go ahead and follow the same thing. I usually like to prefer having to insert it by clicking the insert button right here. It just saves me so much time. And yep, that's the easiest way in order for us to add images here in our Microsoft Word document.